Hi guys, I'm Megan Brightwood and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a KnitCrate unboxing. I love getting my KnitCrates. This one is from the month of February and I believe that the theme is good vibes only, which is supposed to be a lot of jewel tones, really bright colors, which honestly I really like my neutrals right now, but I do have several people in my life that like their brighter colors. My mom has already claimed the sock crate. I showed her a sneak preview of that, and I think that I can find a home for the other main crate as well. So before we get into that, I did want to just let you know that if you are interested in trying KnitCrate yourself, I do get these boxes for review purposes, but I do have a discount code for 20% off your first box using the code PEARLS20, which I will link below. And I do also want to go over what I made from last month's crate. So the January crate was Sleepy New Year, and the first thing I wanted to show you is this cowl. This is from the main crate, and it is the Shift Cowl by Jen Geigley using the yarn Vitalana Ambient Worsted in the colorway Whiskey. And this cowl was actually done with the yarn held double, so it was super fast, really easy. I think I actually finished it in one night, but isn't that cool? Really easy. Just kind of uses some yarn overlace and then just some garter stitch. So yeah, really easy. I would highly recommend, especially for a beginner. And I think it's really easy to just kind of toss on with just about anything. So yeah, really love that. And I also really liked the socks from last month's sock crate. So these are the, oh, what are these called? The Winter Light socks by Laura Phelan, and these are in the Vitalana Ambient Sock yarn in the colorway Robin's Promise. And I just have to open these up so you can see this cabling. Isn't this pretty? Oh, I hope you guys can see it well enough. I really enjoyed making these. These are some of my favorite socks that I've made from a KnitCrate. I just think that they're so pretty and they're squishy and soft. I love them. The one thing that I did do a little bit differently on these as compared to the pattern is that I did use a German twisted cast on rather than, I don't remember what cast on that they had suggested, but when I cast these on, I was not feeling very well, and I felt pretty confident in my cabling skills. I've been doing that for quite a while, so I wasn't really worried about that, but learning a new cast on, it was like, that is not going to happen. So yeah, used a German twisted. I don't know that it made much of a difference, but the rest of the sock is gorgeous. I love it. I'm hoping to put more pictures of these up on my blog within the next couple days, so you can check that out. But as for right now, should we move on to the new crates? I think we should. I do have two different crates to open today. I have the main crate here and the sock crate over here. And I'm going to start with the main crate. For those of you that are new to KnitCrate, this particular box has 2 skeins of yarn as well as a booklet that includes one knitting pattern and one crochet pattern. So we're going to take a look in here. So right on top is the booklet that I was telling you about, and right underneath is the 2 skeins of yarn. So let's take a look at this guy. This is bright. I'm kind of liking this. While I'm definitely more into the neutral tones recently, I do like to play with the brighter colors. So this is Audine Wool's Halo DK in the colorway Malachite. So super bright, has that teal going, kind of some lime in there as well. I think that's going to be really fun. It looks like it's a 2-ply, I think. Very bumpy. I kind of like that texture. Can you see it? Very fluffy. So let's find out what patterns we're gonna make. And okay, so here is the knit pattern. This is Bolita by Curie Fitzgerald, and it's got some fun lacy stuff going on here. Looks like it's just a regular scarf, and I think that's really pretty. And then let's see about the crochet pattern. Let's see. Okay, The crochet pattern is Belle Askew by Jen Hayes Creations, and that one looks a little something like that. So if you're really into crocheting, then you can still do this box. As I said, they do always have a crochet pattern, and sometimes I will do the crochet pattern. However, I think I'm going to stick with knitting on this particular box, though that is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. So yes, that is the main crate. Let's take a look at the sock crate now. So let's open this bad boy up. And okay, so this one, the actual booklet is on the bottom there, but there's the yarn. Isn't that cool? I think I mentioned that my mom really, really wants the socks from here. I did show her a sneak peek of this, but oh my goodness, in person, it's so cool. So it has that bright green. It's kind of like that KnitCrate kind of green. Doesn't it look like that? So it looks a little bit like that. It's got some white in there, some sort of speckly blues, some bright fuchsia, dark royal blue. I don't know. This is really cool. And this is the Knitology cozy sock yarn in the colorway Snow Stylish. Isn't that cool? I have not seen yarn with that many colors in it that just, they flow well together, don't they? So let's grab that booklet out and see what the yarn pattern, or the sock pattern is. If you guys missed, I did put up an announcement video that I am pregnant, and so I'm just gonna say right now, my pregnancy brain has been awful and I don't really know how to deal with it, but just bear with me, I guess, for the next few months. So the pattern is Striped Lightning by Maeve Zana Designs, and this is the picture that I showed my mom that she said, I want those. So I'll be making these for her. I'm really excited to do it. It's got a really cool design to it. I don't know if it's cabled or what it is, but yeah, isn't that cool? I think it is. So those are my 2 crates for this month. If you are interested in seeing what they look like all knit up, then certainly stick around and see next month's Knit Crate unboxing. And I'm really excited about this next crate because while these are so fun, like the fun colors and everything, I think that this next month is going to be all my stuff. It's not going to be leaving at all. And the next theme is Whisper, and I just have to show you this mood board. Isn't that pretty? I am so excited. I can't wait to see that one, and I am really excited to see what these patterns look like all knit up, particularly the socks. Isn't that a cool skein of yarn? I'm just so excited to do it. So anyway, I think that that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and that you like these kinds of knitting videos. And like I said, if you are interested in trying Knit Crate yourself, definitely use that 20% off coupon, Pearls20, and it'll be linked below. As for right now, I'm gonna get going, probably start casting on some stuff, though I do have a project that I'm working on for Evie that I'm hoping to get done within the next 2 weeks. So I've got a little bit of a deadline. Maybe I should work on that first. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out, and maybe just check my Instagram and see what I've been doing. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!